In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the Paste from Clipboard tool. Now, the Paste from Clipboard allows you to copy and paste either a list of account IDs or a list of zip codes, and then you can reassign those zip codes or accounts to a new territory or even delete those accounts. So to start, let's take a look at an Excel file. So here we have our CRM file that we use for the import process. And now let's say someone sent a list of account IDs that need to be removed. So we select that list of account IDs and type in Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy that data to your computer's clipboard. Now we minimize Excel and click on Tools and now on Paste from Clipboard. AlignMix will now locate all of those accounts based on that unique ID, and it will tell you who that account is currently assigned to. Clicking on Next, we can choose to assign all of those accounts to a new territory, basically creating an account override. We can assign all those accounts to a new territory, we can unassign those accounts, and we can also delete that whole list that we just pasted. So if we click Delete and click Next, we've now deleted them all. You can use the same process to reassign individual zip codes. So let's go back to an Excel file, and let's select a different file, so zip to territory file here. So now let's select a couple zip codes. So let's scroll down and we'll select a batch of these and type in Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Now go back to the AlignMix file, click on Tools, and again click on Paste from Clipboard. AlignMix will actually zoom in to where those zip codes are. So you can see these are the zip codes that are outlined in red. So from here we click on the Next button, and now we can assign all of those zip codes to an existing territory or create a new one. So let's click here to assign to an existing territory, and we'll assign them to the White Plains territory and finish. And just like that, you'll see we moved just the zip codes. If there was an account in those zip codes, those accounts were not reassigned. We've simply just moved the zip codes by copy and pasting that data from Excel and into AlignMix. So you can use this method at the account level or at the zip code level. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the Paste from Clipboard tool.